And this is our top focus at this hour. India's Supreme Court has quashed the remission of 11 convicts in the Bilkis Bano gang rape case, overruling the Gujarat government's 2022 decision. The top court stated that the case was not under the state's jurisdiction and that the sentence convicting the 11 will be upheld. In a blow to the Gujarat government, the Supreme Court ruled that the state reflected a lack of competency in granting remission to the convicts. The apex court has argued that it is not Gujarat, rather the Maharashtra government that has jurisdiction to rule on the case. This is because prior to the 2008 sentence, the trial was shifted from Gujarat to Mumbai when India's Federal Investigative Agency, the CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, took over the case. The Supreme Court termed the remission as a fraud act. The two-bench court upheld all petitions filed against the state government's ruling as valid, including one filed by the victim herself. Bilkis Bano was 21 years old and 5 months pregnant when she was gang raped during the Gujarat riots that broke out in 2002. Her 3-year-old daughter was among the 7 family members who were killed in front of her. Earlier, on the 15th of August 2022, India's 76th Independence Day, the 11 accused in the case were granted remission by the Gujarat government and they were released. The 11 had earlier been sentenced to life imprisonment by a special court in Mumbai in 2008. This conviction was upheld by the Bombay High Court in 2017. The convicts' submissions to the court argued that they had suffered enough in their 14 years behind bars and should be allowed to reunite with their family members. On the other hand, in her submission to the bench, Bilkis Bano had accused the state government of granting the remission to the 11 convicts without considering the nature of the offence. Bilkis Bano argued that they did not deserve any leniency as the convicts failed to express remorse for their heinous crimes. While hearing the matter last year in September, the Supreme Court had queried if the convicts had a right to seek remission. A month later, on October 12th, the top court reserved the judgment, asking both the federal and the Gujarat state government to submit original documents related to the 11's remission by 16th of October. Then the top court had also questioned the state government's selectiveness in granting remission to the 11, arguing that the opportunity for reform should extend to every prisoner equally.